Welcome to Lotus Student Mentor channel. In this class, we are going to study how to write a Java programming using for loop. Using for loop, how to write Java programming. Again, as usual, what is the first step? Please understand here the step 1, step 2, step by step will be going to be explained. Okay. What is the first step? क्या है? First step is that the first step is public. Step 1, public class. We are going to use for loop programming so that the class name is that for loop capital L, for loop capital P, program, and curly brace begins. Second step, what is the second step is main method syntax. What is the main method syntax here? That is public static void main string args and curly brace begins. The third step is we have to write the for loop step. What is the for loop step is? For int I equal to 1 and I is less than equal to 10, because we are going to print 1 to 10 numbers by using for loop, and I plus plus. Again curly brace begins for loop. What is the next step? The next step is that SOP, that system dot out dot println. System dot out dot println. I'm going to explain the step by step and also each word of the step in detail in this program. That is, what is the number? Yes, as I said, using for loop, we are going to print 1 to 10 numbers. That's what I'm going to explain here. Number, that is plus I concatenation. Then how many open curly braces are there? That many closed curly braces should be. That is the closing. This is curly brace for loop closing. This is another curly brace for main method. This is another curly brace for class. So the output of this program is, what is the output here? Number, what is the output here? Number plus I. It will be printed as, here it is, I'm going to write output. The output becomes, number will be number, okay, colon 1. Next, number colon 2. Next, number, it will be printed number 3, and so on up to the number 10. Okay, up to the number 10 it will be printed here. That is the output. Now how it functions? The step 1 and step 2 I already explained in detail in the first program video. But in the first program video, void, I did not explain it. What is the use of this void? The meaning of the void is that it doesn't return any value. What is the meaning? The method does not return any value. That is the meaning of the void in the step 2. Again, what is it again? I'll explain. Public is an access modifier. That is, meaning is that the class is accessible by any other class. What is the class? The class should be begin with the class. And the name, it is the keyword for the class. What is the for loop program? For loop program is the name of the class. So class and with name. That is the first step, opening curly brace. The second step, public static void main. What is the meaning of public here? It is the method public. The method is accessible. The method is accessible from anywhere. The static meaning, the method belongs to the class rather than the instance of the class. Void, the method does not return any value. This is the main method. What is the main method? The main is the name of the method. The name of the method that the Java virtual machine calls to start execution of the program. String args. What is string arguments? It is an array of string objects that can be passed as command line arguments. String args means again an array of string arguments, string objects that can be passed as command line arguments in Java. Coming to the third step 3, what is the step 3? The step 3, here we are going to print using for loop 1 to 10 numbers. We are going to print here 1 to 10 numbers. I am going to use for loop. How it will become 1 to 10? High stand for integer. It is one of the data type. Int, float, etc. Int I equal to 1. Here there are 3 things are there for loop. What is the syntax of the for loop? This int I equal to 1. This int I equal to 1, what it will do? Int I equal to 1 means initialization. A variable I is initialized to 1. Initialization. This part goes to initialization part. Initialization. The second part is the condition. What is the condition of the for loop? This is the condition. The condition can be I is greater than, I is less than, I is not equal to, etc. The third part, this I plus means update or increment. How much going to be updated? Now here I equal to 1 initially. If I is less than equal to 10, then after that I plus plus updated due to I plus plus means one more I value will be added. Then I becomes 2. So when I equal to 1, I is less than 10. What will happen here? It will be printed I in this system.out.println. I said in the first program I considered is the 4th step. Yes, but you can consider it as a 4th step also. Here what is the system.out.println? Is the syntax for printing output. Out for outstream. System is a class built in Java. Print ln is a new line, it will be printed. If I equal to, if without ln, if you remove ln, no, it will be printed horizontally. Number 1, again number 2, number 3 horizontally it will be printed. By what? But for us it should be printed line by line. Line by line we have to print. Now print ln, that is number, this plus I means concatenates. It will be printed here. Now let us, what is the first step? Int I equal to 1. Yes, I equal to 1. I is less than 10. Yes, less than 10. It will be printed plus I. That is number equal to 1. Next, what is the next condition is I plus plus. I becomes I equal to I plus 1. That means I equal to 1 plus 1 means 1 plus 1. 2. I becomes 2. I is less than 10. That is 2 is less than 10. That 2 will be printed. The next I becomes I plus plus. 2 plus 1, 3. I equal to 3. That is 3 is less than 10. Next 3. Next 4. Like that it will be printed continuously one after another. Till if suppose I becomes 11. 11 is less than equal to 10. No. Then it will come out. Thus the program will be completed. So this is the example using for loop in Java programming. In the coming videos, I am going to demonstrate how to save the Java program, where to write. Just introduction. After this program should be written on a notepad or notepad++. After that, it should be saved, this program, based on the class name, by using the class name, that is for loop program.java. It should be saved in C drive or wherever, in C drives or D drive. Then on that where it is located saved, you have to CMD we type on the ribbon. Then it will be directed to command prompt. In the command prompt, we have to use Java C. I am going to explain it. First, to save the program. Save the program. What is the first step here? It should be typed. This program should be typed where? On notepad. And after that, save the program in a drive, either C drive or D drive. Then after that, we have to, wherever it is a drive is there it should be directed to command prompt, CMD. In the CMD, then you have to write, it should be saved with what? Java. With the name of, which one? With the class name. Here it is a for loop program.java. Then after that, CMD, I showed here CMD. Then in the command prompt, how it will be? You have to open it, Java C compilation. What is the name of the program? For loop program.java. Then it will be compiled. Once you enter, it will be compilation takes place. If there are any errors in compilation errors, it will be stopped. Then after that, what to do? We have to run the program. First compiling, C for compilation. After running, how to run the program? Java space, you have to write a name of class for loop program. Then enter. Then what will happen? Execute the program. Output will come. The output becomes what I mentioned here, 1, 2, 3. It will be displayed. That is the output. So how to execute the program, I am going to show you in coming videos in online. That will be understood better. We are going to demonstrate how the for loop will be executed, not executed, etc. And what is importance of initialization and importance of condition, importance of update. Everything will be experimentally demonstrated in coming videos. I hope you understood the concept of for loop in Java programming. Thank you for watching.